Welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing the Toyota Official Fixes series, where we look at a real Toyota Technical Service Bulletin and explain what the problem is, which vehicles are affected, and what Toyota's official repair procedure says. So today's issue is one that many third-generation Tacoma owners have experienced: a whining noise coming from the rear of the truck, usually right around highway speeds. So if your Tacoma makes a whine, let's say around 50 miles per hour during light acceleration, cruising, or when letting off the throttle, Toyota actually released a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB, for this issue. Looking at your screen, you will see the official TSB, which is TSB 0013-18, and it came out February 6, 2018. Let's quickly talk about what a TSB is. So, a Technical Service Bulletin is not a recall, as we have mentioned in the other TSB videos in this series. So a recall means that Toyota has determined there is a safety-related defect that requires a repair program. A TSB, a Technical Service Bulletin, is different. So a TSB is Toyota's official repair guidance for the dealerships when customers report a specific problem. Basically, it's Toyota's way of saying, we know this issue exists. Here is how to diagnose and repair the issue. So a lot of consumers mentioned it to Toyota, complained or wrote them. They listened, they identified the problem, and they identified the solution and possible part numbers through the TSB. So that is what a TSB is. All right, so the problem we have, the complaint Toyota was addressing, was a whine noise coming from the rear of the vehicle. So the typical conditions for this whine, it's about around 50 miles per hour, constant speed cruising, slight acceleration, and slight deceleration. So the noise may sound like a gear whine, a humming noise, or a rear end howl. So many owners, they initially think the rear differential gears are failing, but Toyota's diagnosis found something a little different. So it's not the gears, they found something completely different. So what is causing this noise? According to Toyota's bulletin, the issue can be caused by vibration from the rear differential transferring through the chassis and body. Basically, the differential vibration is being amplified through the truck structure, making the driver hear a noticeable whine inside the cabin. So you have the rear differential, the chassis vibration, the cab resonance, and with that resonance, the driver hears that whine. Which Tacomas are affected? This TSB, this specific bulletin, applies to 2016 through 2018 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab 4-wheel drive models equipped with the BD Bravo David 22 rear differential. Toyota later issued additional rear whine bulletins for newer Tacomas as well, including the 2019 to 2023 Double Cab models. So how do you know if your truck has the issue? Here are the things I would look for. Number one, does the noise happen at a specific speed? Usually around 50 miles per hour. Number two, does it change when you slightly press or release the accelerator? A differential noise often changes depending on whether the gears are loaded or unloaded. And number three, does the sound seem like it is coming from the rear of the truck? If yes, this TSB may apply to you. All right, looking at the TSB itself, they have identified the repair procedure. So here is all the information you need, which models, which years this TSB applies to. Gives you a nice little introduction like we just read right here. And let's go down. This is just some boilerplate. Here is the repair procedure. So what does Toyota actually do to fix it? So the repair procedure involves addressing the vibration path between the rear differential and the truck body. Depending on the vehicle configuration, Toyota's repair procedure includes items such as vibration damping components and related chassis isolation parts. So the important thing to understand here is Toyota is not simply replacing every rear differential that makes the noise. The repair is designed to reduce the vibration being transferred into the cabin. We're on page 4 of 7. You can go through. Here's page 5 of 7. That's giving you the repair procedure. Page 6 of 7. Talking about a damper. And finally, page 7 of 7. So should you worry about this? If your Tacoma has this noise, should you panic? Not necessarily. A whine does not automatically mean your rear differential is about to fail. However, unusual noises should always be diagnosed. So a good first step is verify differential fluid level, check for leaks, determine exactly when the noise occurs, compare the symptoms with Toyota's TSB. If you take your Tacoma to a dealership, don't just say, hey, my rear end is making noise. Be specific. Tell them, my Tacoma has a rear whine about around 50 miles per hour during steady throttle, and I would like it checked against this Toyota TSB 0013-18. Be specific to these guys. Help them out, and they'll help you. And most likely it will be covered under Toyota's warranty. It may not, but it may. So always tell them exactly what's happening. Having the actual bulletin number helps the service department understand exactly what you are describing. So that wraps up another Toyota official fix video related to a Toyota TSB, specifically for a Toyota Tacoma. So Toyota has issued thousands of technical service bulletins over the years, and many of them address common issues owners have experienced. If you own a Tacoma, Sequoia, Tundra, or 4Runner, subscribe because this channel is going through the important Toyota fixes one bulletin at a time. Note my vehicle doesn't have all these issues. It had a couple TSBs applied to it, but I'm going to address the ones I come across that I think are useful. So next up in this series, we'll cover another Toyota TSB that could save you time, money, and frustration. Thanks for watching.